Hello friends, you're all welcome back to the channel. Today I will be talking about how to set up a business here in Turkey. Now, if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, okay? Now, I have made a video concerning this very topic a year ago. Now, I am trying to make it again because, one, some people wrote me and they asked how I can set up a business in Turkey, and someone also called me on how to do this. So I decided, okay, I am going to do this. Also, I checked that video I made last year. Some people wrote some certain things on the comment section. So I decided I'm going to answer some of those questions in this video. That is why I want you to watch this video to the end so you can understand all I'm going to explain. The first thing you need to do when you are planning to set up a company is to choose a company name. And now, if you have a company name, the second thing you need to do is to have your capital. If you don't have a capital, you don't need to bother yourself asking how I can set up a business in Turkey. If you have the capital, you are ready. That is when you can now start asking how I can set up a business in Turkey. Now, having a capital, you may be wondering, how much do I need so I'll be able to start a company in Turkey? Now, what I said in my previous video, I talked about having or starting up a business at, using about $5,000, $5,000 and above. Now, this is the minimum you need so you'll be able to start up a business. Now, if you have such amount of money, that is when you now start to talk about, okay, let me start, running a business. If you come to Turkey, you want to set up this business, you have to, first of all, go and get your tax number. How do you get a tax number? You can get it by searching for Vergi Dairesi. Okay, search for Vergi Dairesi and then go there. Tell them that you need to, start up a business. You want to get your tax number. With that, they will demand for your passport. They will demand for your house address. They will demand certain, documents from you. With that, they can give you a tax number. If you get your tax number, you can go with your tax number to the bank. If you go to the bank, tell them that you want to open a bank account for your company, using your company name to set up a bank account. Now, if you ask or tell them you want to do this, they will demand for your tax number, they will demand for your passport, they will demand for your home address, they will demand for your nüfus numara, it's population number. They will demand certain documents from you, and then when you present it to them, they will be able to set up a bank account for you. Now, if you get your bank account, with that bank account you can use it to pay for your business premises and the rent for your business, whichever place or location you have chosen. The next one is getting a location. So with your location that you have gotten, you would use your bank account to pay for the rent, because using your account, company account name to pay for your rent is more logical. There are certain things they will need from you in the future. That is why you need to use your company name to pay for your rent. Now, if you have done that, this is where you will now need the services of an accountant company. An accountant is so needed for them to be able to register your company name. Registering a company name is not an easy task for you to do it by yourself. That is why you need an accountant who will help you to go and register your company name. For example, I want to list, read it out, some certain things that may be needed from you. All right, because some people think, it is so easy, I can do it all by myself. Listen, it is not an easy task. Let me read out. Now, you need to, draft articles of association, reserve your company name, preparing your company registration forms, principal status notary fees, notarizing incorporation document. For example, articles of association, you have to make like 3 copies of 10 pages. Registration fee of Chamber of Commerce. This is very important. Registration fee of Chamber of Commerce needs to be paid. And also paying government fee, consumer fund, an accountancy fee, and all that. Certification of the company commercial books approval. There are a lot of things that will be followed. Signature declaration of company managers, okay, and also you need to go for registration of the company at the trade registry and its announcement in the commercial registration gazette. Certification of incorporation, company status. There are a lot of things that you will be doing. That is why you need an accountant who already have these things on ground. Most of these documents, you just give them all the things that they need. Okay, with these things they can help you out to run and register your company name. And after they have done this, it can take like 3 weeks for them to do these things. And once it is done, maybe it will take 2 weeks, you can never tell. And once it is done, you can now from there start to design or beautify the shop, or put things that you want, buy your property and the things you'll be selling and putting them in that place. So that is how you can register a company here in Turkey, or a business. Now, if you are planning to do something bigger, something more than what I just said, you really need the services of an accountancy company to help you do a thing like that. Now, how much does it cost for me to register a company here in Turkey? In total, you may be spending about 20,000 or 25,000 Turkish liras to do this. That is the maximum I'm thinking. But minimum should be about 15,000. That is the amount of money you will be spending. This is in Turkish liras. But if you are thinking how much is this in dollars, let me give you. $1 is 15 Turkish liras as of today that I'm making this video. So if you calculate the amount or how much it is for 20,000 Turkish liras to dollars, you would understand how much you will be spending to register your company. Now, if you have registered your company, then you can start up your business. Now, also, I need to tell you that in my previous video, I talked about having 10,000 Turkish liras in your business, company's account. You need to have 10,000 Turkish liras in your company account. It is still, on at the moment. You must have these things in your company account, 10,000 Turkish liras. And there are other documents that they may be demanding from you that I haven't said in this video. So that is why I will be asking you to try to get somebody who can help you to do this. In case you are not in Turkey, I said before, in case you are not coming to Turkey, try to source this to a law firm that can help you to do this. Give them the power of attorney to be able to do these very things for you while you stay in your country. Now, one more question somebody asked: how can I employ 5 Turkish people? Because the laws here states that you have to employ 5 Turkish people in your company. Listen, if this is small business, you don't need to employ 5 Turkish people. No, that law is for big organization, big company, something that is very big. You need to employ at least 5 Turkish people in your company. But if it is a small business that you have, you don't need to employ Turkish people. You can do it by yourself, or you can do it with 1 or 2 people working for you. So that is how you can set up a company in Turkey. In case I didn't answer your question, okay, you can leave it on the comment section. That is all I can say. I believe with this I have been able to let you know how you can set up a company in Turkey. There's nothing else I can say. Thank you so much for watching this video up until this moment, and hopefully I believe you have subscribed to my channel. If you haven't done that, please do it right now. Subscribe to my channel, and as well leave a comment in the comment section. Share this video with your friends and family members, and thank you so much for doing that. See you in my next video. Bye for now.